Good day, this is Thursday the 6th of March, and let's talk about our marvelous Bible. We read from 2 Timothy 3 at verse 16. All scripture is given by inspiration of God, and is profitable for doctrine, for reproof, for correction, for instruction in righteousness. So how did the Bible come to be? The Bible is the most amazing document ever given to man. Technically speaking, it's not a book. The Bible is a compilation of 66 books with more than 40 different authors. The Bible was written over the course of approximately 1500 years and was written in 3 different languages, Hebrew, Aramaic and Greek, by people all over the place. Moses was a political leader trained in the schools of Egypt. He wrote the first 5 books of the Bible. Peter was a fisherman. Joshua was a military general. Daniel was a prime minister. Luke was a doctor. Solomon was a king. Matthew was a tax collector. Paul was a rabbi. The Bible is the most ambitious literary project ever conceived. What is a heavenly reason for that? God guided every scholar every step of the way. He allowed each author to use his own writing style and personality, but God made sure that they wrote what He intended them to write. He inspired them to express His truths in their own words, and they all tell a single story. The Bible is the story of God's love for us, even after we sinned against Him, and His amazing plan to save us from the punishment we deserve for our sin. The Bible is the story of Jesus. He's the golden thread that runs throughout its pages. God's perfect plan of salvation can be seen in this perfect book He gave the world. May God bless you.